Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's make some plantain omelette muffin cups. So for this we'll be needing some spinach, some cheese, some bell peppers, onion, eggs, and some plantain. So in a heated skillet I'm going to go in with my butter and I'm going to allow it to melt. Then I'm going to add the onion. And I'm just going to saute this for about a minute or two, allow them to get softened. Then I'm going to add my mixed bell peppers. Feel free to use any bell peppers of choice. Feel free to use fresh spinach if you have. It doesn't really matter. I'm using the frozen spinach. These are a lifesaver. They're always on hand. So I'm just going to season with some seasoned salt and some crushed red pepper flakes and allow this to saute for about 2 to 3 minutes, then set aside to cool down completely before handling into the filling. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and peel up our plantains. So here I have some ripe plantains. We don't really want them overripe, we want them just right. And these are the perfect texture. So you're going to go ahead and use your knife and slice them super thin. We want them nice and thin. If you can't cut it like this, get yourself a mandolin and cut it. But hey, we all know to cut things like this in the Caribbean, all right? So I'm just using my knife and cutting some super thin strips. And over here, I have a pot heated up with some oil. I'm just going to go ahead and fry these off until they're golden brown on one side. Flip them over and allow them to cook on the other side. These take no time to cook because they're super thin. We just want them to be nice and golden brown. And yeah, we're going to set these aside to drain on a piece of paper towel. In the meantime, here I have my eggs. I have about a dozen eggs, so I have a muffin tin that I'll be using, so I want them to be like 1 egg per tin. Then I'm going to go ahead, use some cooking spray and line it so they can remove easily once done cooking. And I'll take the plantain and I'm going to lay them into the muffin tin just like so. Then I'm going to add that cold filling, and then I'm going to go ahead and add that egg mixture on top. The egg is also the binder, and yes, you're gonna pack some more protein into this. Perfect for breakfast, and these are freezable as well because I froze mine after. You could just pop them in the microwave whenever you're ready to go, and yet you have breakfast on the go. We won't stop here. We will add in some cheese on top. You could totally leave this part out. I'll just add a little bit of cheese because why not? And then also I'm going to go ahead and add a bit of beef bacon, or you could use turkey bacon, but I have beef bacon, so I'll be adding it. And if you're not into bacon, you could just leave it out altogether. We're going to bake this in a 350 degrees for 15 to 12 minutes, or 12 to 15 minutes. And yeah, that's it. You want to allow them to cool down a bit before moving them from the pan. And let me tell you, these were super tasty and flavorful. Perfect breakfast idea, packed with flavor and high in protein. You'll absolutely love these. Thank you so very much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and enjoy.